One of my favorite quotes to this day is, "God will put you back together in front of those who broke you." It's a reminder that healing isn't just for us. It's also a statement for those who thought they could break us. Life has a funny way of showing us our worth, especially when we least expect it. There's something powerful about returning stronger than before, about standing tall in front of the people who tried to tear us down. It's not about revenge or proving a point. It's about showing that no matter how much life knocks us down, we will always rise, stronger, wiser, and more complete than before. In those moments, when you think you've lost it all, remember this: the universe doesn't waste pain. Every experience, every heartbreak, is a piece of the puzzle that will shape you into someone unbreakable.